Setting up auto-reply messages in Meta Business Suite allows you to automatically respond to messages received on your Facebook and Instagram business accounts. Here's how to do it. Log in. Access Meta Business Suite by visiting business.facebook.com or using the Facebook Business Suite mobile app. Log in with your Facebook or Instagram business account credentials. Navigate to Inbox. Once logged in, navigate to the Inbox or Messages section of Meta Business Suite. This is where you will manage your messages and set up auto replies. Access Settings. Look for the settings or configuration options within the Inbox section. You may find these by clicking on your profile icon or a gear or settings icon. Set up auto reply. Find the option to set up auto reply messages. This feature may be labeled as instant replies or auto responses. Customize message. Create your auto reply message. You can customize the message to greet customers, provide information, or offer assistance. Consider including relevant details such as business hours, contact information, or links to resources. Activate auto reply. Once you've customized your message, activate the auto reply feature to start automatically responding to messages received on your Facebook and Instagram business accounts. Test. After setting up auto reply, send a test message to your business account to ensure that the auto reply message is working correctly.